Up first, there's a major development in the case of a 9-year-old child who was raped and murdered in Discovery Bay, St. Ann. The accused in the matter is now on the run after escaping police guard at hospital. Janella Precious has this primetime news follow-up.
This is 27-year-old Troy Ellis, no stranger to Fortland Road, Discovery Bay, St. Ann, and currently the most disliked resident after he was linked to the rape and murder of 9-year-old Taliyah Thompson. Now he's on the run after escaping custody while under police guard at the St. Ann's Bay Hospital. According to a police statement, he was seen making his escape at 10:35 p.m. on Saturday. TVJ News understands he escaped through a window. The two police officers who were on guard at the time, the statement further said, have been removed from frontline duty with immediate effect. Ellis was being treated at the facility for self-inflicted knife wounds after he attempted to kill himself after allegedly killing 9-year-old Taliyah on September 23. Now, the entire community of Frontline is on high alert. TVJ News understands some residents have already armed themselves in anticipation that he will return to the area. The police are, however, cautioning the residents against engaging in jungle justice. The police also warned that harboring a felon is a crime. Just last week, the police reported that the accused was recovering from his wounds and was cooperating with investigators. Anyone with information about his whereabouts can call police at 119, Crime Stop at 311, or to the NIB tip line at 811. Janella Precious, TVJ News.